Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can download something on Mureka AI. In order to do so, here we are at Mureka.ai and we're all logged in. And what we're looking for can be found in our library. If we head over to the library, you can also find this in Create as well, because you'll see your songs here. But we can go ahead and go to the library. And on the right-hand side, you'll find these three little dots. And from here, you're going to see that you have a variety of options for download. Now, bear in mind that you can only download the video or the stems if you're on the Pro plan. If you are on the basic plan, then you can download with a commercial license, or you can download the MP3. All you have to do is click on that. As you can see, we are on the free plan, and so unfortunately, we won't be able to download anything. So you are going to need to be on the basic plan in order to download, but that is essentially the process there. Just go to the three little buttons and you can download the MP3, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.